Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I am doing a quick video to show you what I'm going to be doing going into the new year, and that is decluttering my home. And so what I did was I put together some different things I wanted to do in each room and wrote them on these. It's just what I had laying around at the moment. It was some envelopes, and did basically a brain dump of what I wanted to do in each room to kind of give me an idea of what I needed to do, so that way it'll make it easier during this decluttering process that I'm getting ready to do. I recommend you do the same thing, whether you write it down on a piece of notebook paper or you could do it envelopes like I did. I did envelopes so that way I can put them inside my planner and just kind of paper clip it to the top as I go from week to week, because these are going to take me a while to do. But I know at the end of this it'll be a whole lot better. But I suggest you do the same thing. Look at your room with different eyes and figure out what needs to be done in that room. Write it down so you'll have it, and make it separate from your daily to-do list that you normally do, and I'm going to be doing like decluttering power hours and 30-minute pickups, whatever the time allows me to get this stuff done. And it's going to be a long process. It's going to take me a while to get through all that. But I figured I'd take you along on this journey, and maybe you'll get your house decluttered too. And hopefully I'll give you the motivation to be able to do the same. So stay tuned. It's going to take a while for this first video, because actually I'm going to be starting with the kitchen. And I have a lot to do in the kitchen. And I'm hoping to get all this done. The stuff at the bottom can be, may do, may not do. I don't know yet. But y'all stick around, because I've got a lot of videos planned, and they're all going to be about decluttering. So stay tuned. Y'all come back now. You hear?